Hello traders, and welcome to Explain the Charts, where we help you understand the nuances of the market and make informed trading decisions. Today, September 11th, 2024, we are looking at USDCAD, focusing on the latest news events and correlating them to the technical analysis on the charts. First, let's look at the recent news affecting USDCAD. The Canadian dollar has been relatively weak recently, as the Bank of Canada, BC, has indicated a potential for further interest rate cuts in the upcoming months. This is in contrast to the Federal Reserve, Fed, which is currently maintaining a hawkish stance on interest rates, which has strengthened the US dollar. The divergence in monetary policy between the two central banks is a key driver of the current trend in USDCAD. Additionally, oil prices, which are closely correlated with the Canadian dollar, have been under pressure recently. This is due to concerns about slowing global growth and a potential recession, which has weighed on demand for crude oil. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts. We're starting with the one-day chart to get a broader view of the trend. If we look at the overall trend over the last few months, we can see that USDCAD has been in an upward trend. The pair has been steadily rising, making higher highs and higher lows. This suggests that the US dollar has been gaining strength against the Canadian dollar. However, we are currently seeing a slight pullback from the recent highs. This pullback may be a sign of profit-taking or a short-term correction, but it doesn't necessarily signal a reversal of the overall upward trend. The recent decline has brought the price back to a key support level around 1.3575. This support level has been tested several times in the past, and it's worth noting if the price holds above this level, it could indicate that the upward trend is still intact. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to see if we can identify any potential short-term opportunities. The 1-hour chart shows that USDCAD has been consolidating recently. The price has been trading within a narrow range, suggesting that buyers and sellers are evenly matched. This consolidation is typical after a strong move, and it's often a precursor to a breakout in one direction or the other. The 1-hour chart also shows a key resistance level around 1.3605. This resistance level has been tested several times in the past few weeks, and it's a level that traders will be watching closely. Now, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see what's happening in the very short term. The 15-minute chart shows that USDCAD has been trading in a choppy manner. The price has been bouncing back and forth, suggesting that traders are unsure of the direction of the market. This choppiness is typical of the short-term time frame, and it can make trading more difficult. Let's go back to the 1-hour chart and focus on the last few hours. If we look at the recent price action, we can see that USDCAD has been making lower highs and lower lows. This suggests that the upward trend is losing momentum. The price has also broken below the 200-hour moving average, which is a key technical indicator. This break below the moving average further reinforces the weakening of the upward trend. Traders will be watching closely to see if the price can regain momentum and move back above the moving average. Looking back at the daily chart, it's important to note that the RSI is still above 50. This suggests that the overall trend is still bullish, but the recent decline in price and the break below the 200-hour moving average on the 1-hour chart could suggest that the trend is weakening. A close below the 1.3575 support level on the daily chart would further confirm a bearish reversal. We are likely to see further consolidation in the short term before USDCAD makes a clear break in either direction. A move above the 1.3605 resistance level would signal a resumption of the upward trend, while a break below the 1.3575 support level would suggest a reversal to the downside. To summarize, we have identified some key price levels to watch in USDCAD. On the daily chart, the 1.3575 support level is a key level to watch. A break below this level would suggest a bearish reversal, while a hold above it could indicate that the upward trend is still intact. On the 1-hour chart, the 200-hour moving average is a key level of resistance, and a break above it would signal a resumption of the upward trend. The 1.3605 resistance level is also a key level to watch. A break above this level would confirm a bullish breakout. In conclusion, while the overall trend in USDCAD remains bullish, The recent decline in price and the weakening of the trend on the 1-hour chart suggest that the market is currently in a state of uncertainty. Traders should be cautious in the short term and watch for a clear breakout in either direction. A close below the 1.3575 support level on the daily chart would confirm a bearish reversal, while a close above the 1.3605 resistance level would signal a bullish breakout. Remember, this is just a technical analysis, and the market can move in unexpected ways. Always use proper risk management techniques and trade responsibly. Good luck, traders, and happy trading!